It's Wednesday afternoon late. Heading out, see if I can fish for a couple hours. Light rain, as you can see. And nice temperature. It's kind of warm. So I'm trying to rush to get out, so I'm a little out of breath. But we'll see how we do today. Hopefully get on some fish for a couple hours and have some good pictures and videos. Alright, here we go. First cast of the day. Nice little, might be in the slot. Bammo! Look at that. Right on. First cast. Usually that means bad things, but hopefully we'll catch some more. Okay, I just snagged this. I think it's a nanny shad, I guess. I don't know. Probably giant striper bait. Anyway, I'm gonna let it go. It's probably about a pound and a half. At least 13, 14 inches long. I'll have to get an identification. Alright, here we go. Shad. Oh! Oh! God bless, he took it. He busted the line. Man, that was at least a 20-incher. At least, man, that thing was ripping some line. Nice striper. Oh well. Might have been that 30-inch one. Who knows? Got another nice one on here. Come on. Reel. Trying to film and reel. He's already taken a nice run. Oh yeah, that one will go in the slot. Yeah, about 20 inches. Nice fish. See if I can get her in the net and get her on the stringer. That'll be my two for the day. Once I get to 30 and then I release one. Yeah, this is number 4. Another 18-incher, pulling really nice. A nice pull, need to reel some. Oh, there we go, look at that. Nice fish. Oh, 18, 19 inches long. Seems to be the norm right now, although I had that one snap my line. Pretty nice. Anyway, get her off and release her. And we got another one on. This will be number 5. And he's swimming pretty good. Let me reel a little bit here. He doesn't want to come up. There we go, nice little fish. Whoa. Whoa, here we go. Come on. Man, he's a fighter. Well, they're a lot more active today with this warmer weather. There we go. Let me see if I can get him off. He's about 18 or 19. Nice size fish. Alright. Let me get him off and see if I can catch another one. Oh, we got one turning me around here. Wanted to get it on video. Whoa, got a reel. He's backing me up. You can see my rod tip. That's it. Oh. Nice fighter. He's spinning me around. Oh, he's taking some lines. He'll be 20 inches or better if I get him in. Got a reel, he's underneath. Sorry about the video. Really want to see this one landed. Oh, there he is. Oh, nice one. Look at that. He'll go, he's probably just out of the slot, 22. Oh, come on, Get on up here. Look at that. Nice fish. Nice fish. Alright. Yeah, he'll get 23, 24 maybe. Let me see if I can get her off the, get that hook out of her without, she's really sucked it in. Alright. Let's get her in. 24 inches. Pretty fish. Pretty female, I'm guessing. Anyway, I'll let her go and we'll try to catch another big one before the sun sets here. Alright. She's ready to go. There she goes. And got another one on here. See if I can get her up. Another nice fighter. There she is. Look at that. Another big old fat 20 plus inch. That last one was 24. Oh, that was probably 22. Nice fish. Alright, let me get her off and see if I can catch a couple more before dark. Almost dark. Still catching fish. Oh, should be a nice little striper.